Once you've set up your project in NoodleTools, your next step is to create source cards. You should always create a citation for a source before you take any notes from that source. To create a source card, click the Sources tab at the top of the page. Then click the Create a New Citation button. Your first step is to determine where the source is located. If you accessed it via one of the school databases, choose Database. If you found it online, choose Website. If you used a print source, choose Print, and so on. Most web-based sources will require you to write your own citation. NoodleTools will provide you with a fill-in-the-blank form. When you click on each field, it will tell you how to locate the information that you need to include. Once you've filled in as much of the form as possible, click the Submit button at the bottom or at the top to save your work. If you're using an article from the Gale database, you're in luck. Gale and NoodleTools are integrated, so you can export your citations directly from Gale into your project. To do this, find an article you wish to use in Gale. At the top of the screen, click Sign in with Google and sign into your Google account. You'll then see your name at the top of the screen. Click the Citation Tools menu on the right side of the screen. On the pop-up screen, go to the Export To section and select NoodleTools. From the drop-down menu, then click Export. If a new screen does not immediately appear, you might need to allow pop-ups on your computer and then hit Export again. On the new screen, select the name of the project you want to export to at the bottom, then click Import References. If you're successful, you'll see a message that says one reference successfully exported to project at the top of your screen. You can then close this screen and go back to NoodleTools. When you refresh your sources screen, you'll see the completed citation listed. If you are using a book source, NoodleTools provides a helpful shortcut to create the citation. When you create a new citation and choose Print and Book, you'll be taken to a fill-in-the-blank form. At the top of the form, there is a section that says Import. You can search for a book by the ISBN, which is found on the back of the book and the back of the title page, by title, or by author. It's most effective to search by ISBN. Enter the number that you find, and then click Search. If NoodleTools can locate the ISBN, the book will appear on the pop-up screen. Click the book to highlight it, then click Import Selected Source. On the next screen, you should check to make sure that all of the information matches the book that you are using. If it does, click Continue. You'll be taken back to the fill-in-the-blank form with all of the important information filled in. Check to make sure that everything is correct, then click Submit to save the citation. If you are creating a citation and are unsure of what information you need or where to find it, NoodleTools will provide assistance. If you're still having trouble, ask your teacher or librarian for help. Once you have your source cards created, you're ready to create note cards. The information on how to do that will appear in a separate screencast.